Boom! Welcome to episode number 2 on how to be
a Jamaican.
Let's get this party started.
Yeah!
Never again. No, when it comes to talking about becoming a Jamaican, you have to remember this one next phrase. Selfish. Wanting a mackerel, $300. This mackerel will make you boom. Oh yeah, coming to buy the fish? Yeah man. Here's your $300. Oh, I actually make mistake. It's really $500. So just give me $500 and we call it even, man. Once you master this, you'll be 10% closer to becoming
a Jamaican.
Now, an important note to remember is that I don't speak the hardcore Jamaican patois. What if I talk like Damian Marley?
Damian not an audience, really. Not even just a crossover audience, just really not an audience.
And some of you guys out there, you have a hard time understanding me. I read your comments and I see them. I may not reply to all of them. I see your comments. To become a true, real Jamaican, you have to apply all the steps to the point where you need subtitles.
So, talking a little more about my family. Me have 10 brothers, all are smart. All of them got degree in a school. But this one little brother of mine, I go live up Canada and go work on YouTube. And he's the only idiot in the batch. Oh, me think it a him what I call right now at the moment me for vlog. Wow, go on, brother.
Yes, boss man, what you deal with?
Me just there, plugging a little thing, speaking good about my little brother. Good.
Okay, alright.
So when you my brother, what about the little thing me now see to send there? You know the iPad, the MP4, MP6, we now know what you call it.
All you have to do is get up off your bottom and go find a job and work.
No, but you must send it. Because you know me as a bad man. And if you not send me
Jamaicans. But anyways, you saw what I mean?
not a joke, me I speak there. Lovey. It's a hug. Let me show you.
Alright, so this episode's big time riddle comes from YouTube user.
Hey, guess what? I got a riddle for you. And it is, Mom and Dad have 4 daughters, and each daughter has 1 brother. How many people are in the family? Can you guess it? Because I can't.
So if you think you know the answer, leave it in the comments right down there. So make sure you check out her channel. She does these amazing artwork that will blow your mind. I'm an artist, but she make me look like a rookie. And big respects to my man Jibril Talks for helping me out with this episode. Make sure you check out his channel as well. Subscribe and make sure you give him some love from Leroy. So I hope you learned something about us Jamaicans. So until next time, I'm your favorite Jamaican, Leroy Kenton. Boom, I'm out.